AC capacitors. Is it safe for homeowners to change these out themselves? AC capacitors are basically like a battery in your car. They store energy and they give your equipment that initial boost that it needs to get everything going. Get a lot of homeowners asking, why am I going to pay you a couple $100s when I can buy this capacitor for $15 on Amazon or places like that? This is stored energy. Most homeowners are not electricians and HVAC contractors, and they don't know how to discharge these capacitors correctly. A charged capacitor could expose a homeowner to electrical shock or even worse. So it is our recommendation that homeowners leave the capacitors to the professionals. Do not attempt to change capacitors on your own. Leave that to a licensed HVAC contractor or a licensed electrical contractor.